way to get free plants is if you find in a public place, of course. This is a white oak, and it looked really healthy, and it looked like it came from a young tree. So you just dip it in some root clipping, put it in some water or soil, depending on what the instructions are for that particular plant. This I was actually at a nursery, and the lady who owned it, she said I could have it. It was a clipping that fell on the ground, apparently from a plant that either she brought in or somebody bought. And so it has taken. It's the Wandering Jew. So that's one. And these are milkweed plants, plants that I bought. Sometimes at nurseries they're ready to be put in bigger pots. So they have little sprouts at the bottom of the plant, which you don't want to have. So anyways, I just put them in some clipping powder, and you can put it in soil. I'm just putting it for water right now. Later this evening I will be putting it in soil. This you can get at your retail store or a farm and feed store. Rooting powder for clippings. Look up, not every species is the same, so look up, research. I'm sure YouTube probably has videos on how to do clippings for each plant. Sometimes you need to put them in water for a while for them to grow root before you put them in soil. Sometimes you can just put them in the clipping powder and stick them straight in soil, but that's free plants. Waste not, want not.